find end in vowel, but when is singular is the sound, not
with this. Is that what you're talking about?
For example,
right, yeah. So this is a good example, right? This is a pluralization rule, right? Pronunciation rule for pluralization. This is not plural, so it doesn't follow the rule, right? The E, the I sound that's here doesn't transfer to that S, okay? But even still, 90% of the time it will. This is kind of an exception because it's what we call a function word.
this is exception.
Yeah, pretty much.
But other words, singular words,
Mm-hmm.
and that are ending in S, its sound is Z.
If it ends in a vowel, should be. Can I show you guys something real quick? There's a tool, Coca, BYU, English Corpora, we'll go with that one. Okay, so I want words that end in S. Let's see, what are my rules here? I want words that end in vowel S. Okay, so here we go. Singular is, right? One is as, his, has, its, says, right? Years, that's plural. S. Okay. Does, that's plural, or pluralization. Things, students, states, always. Yes. Okay. US, that one's different because that's a name. Days, times, less. But this one has two S's, right? So it's different. News, business, two S's. Eyes, across. Okay. Others, months, that's TH, so that one's fine. Process, parents. Okay. Kids, makes, members, problems, plural, handled. Okay, so most of these down here are all plurals now. Plurals are conjugations. Groups, questions, seems, issues, needs, teaches, studies, looks. Yeah. So everything farther down, they're all conjugations or pluralizations or something like that.
No, it's not always.
No. So I would say that basically, where was that? Here. These words are the basic exceptions. Everything else that's down here follows the rule. Okay? For these ones like this, right, cross, there's a double S, and that signals, okay, this must be an S sound, right? It can't change. Business, right? Process, two S's. But these ones like yes, that's, or is it us? That's it. This, I don't see this in here, right? So this, okay. In other words, it looks like there are some exceptions, but maybe like 10 or 15 in all of the English language.
How do you pronounce always or always?
Z.
Always.
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 Mm-hmm, right? The rule is to go to Z, right? Almost always. Right? You'll go to Z 90% of the time, 95% of the time, you'll go to Z. Z, 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 z. Except for these couple words like us or yes or this, right? There's not very many. Or these words like business, but it's written differently because it has a different sound. Or parent, right? This follows the rule we talked about before, right? No voice, therefore no voice in the next one too. Better?
In general is z.
Z. Yeah.
Even the singular words.
Yes, even the singular words. So like, oh, whoops. So like here, this is singular. It's a verb conjugation, but it's a singular word. He, singular, does. It goes Z sound, right? Same thing with is and was, as, right? Singular piece there. This, oh, there's this. There's this word.
These, yes.
These, so this, yes.
Yes.
What was the other one? Us.
Yes. Us.
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 I think that's it. These, yes, us.
Okay.
Good question. I like that question. Okay, so yeah, back at the store. What do you think? What you guys put? Well, let's do this one. I can't look at all your stuff. Did you write that down? Good?
Yes.
Good?
I heard 499.
Okay.
N is
You want it to be the point?
yeah point.
Okay.
But 499
Okay.
euros.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
280 and
Yen. Yen. Mhm.
yes.
Okay.
But
But 499 was wrong,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good?
There's
Two?
280. 280.
Oh, 280, right? Yen.
280.
Okay.
This is confused.
What did you write down?
80, 80.
880?
8, 8. No. 8. No. This. Yes.
That one? Okay. That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. So now we know what the answers are. Let's listen again and see if we can hear what was there.
The sister said, for example,
288.
Double 80. Double 8. 288. 280. 280.
That one.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's listen to it again. Okay, and we'll see. Yes?
Before you listen, can you help me about the first East Coast to 25. The second, I confused the cow or the account. It means the sentence.
I don't understand your question.
Number one, they said that East Coast.
It costs.
Yes.
Good.
The second, they said that I confused the cows or the accounts.
Couch.
Couch.
Okay.
And the third is the ticket. I hear that.
We're good on that one, right? Yeah, so this one was a couch.
Couch.
Okay. Do you know what a couch is?
couch.
Couch.
What is couch?
Right.
Couch.
Can you try?
Couch.
Couch is a paper.
Car?
No?
Nope.
Is animal.
Nope.
Account.
No.
Ah.
A cow
Bike.
is an animal. Couch.
Couch.
Not bike, not car.
Couch no, it's just paper.
Couch.
We don't use the small
Why did
bag.
everything go blue? Sorry. Like the whole room just turned blue. That was weird. Couch. Okay? Listen to that sound before I write this down. Couch.
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 It's not animal.
No.
No. No. Teacher. No.
We have a cow. Animal. Big animal. Milk. Right? Couch. Okay? I think if I write it down, you'll know what it is. But I want you to notice this, right? The sound is the problem. You need to learn the sound, not the letters. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at this one. Oh, and I spelled it wrong. Haha.
Oh,
Ah,
yesterday we said we saw
couch. Okay.
the family.
So there's a little bit of a complication. Probably 70 to 80% of native-born Americans who've lived here for generations, right? Their families lived here for generations will say couch. Couch, 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 couch. But there are about 30 million Spanish-speaking Americans who live here, and they say sofa. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's only like 10% of the population, but that's 30 million people, right? That's a lot of people that are here, and they say sofa. So for businesses, they're always like, yeah, I've got a sofa and a couch. They're the same thing. Do you have a sofa I can buy? Sure, it's right there. Do you have a couch I can buy? It's still here. It's the same thing. Okay. The English word is couch. That's the word we use. Okay. But we also have the word of sofa. So you can use both of them. But couch is by far the preferred in English. Okay. So couch. And that's how you spell it right there. Couch. Couch. Like that. Couch. Alrighty, back here.
Teacher,
Yes.
Sister Elsa listened in the number three.
Mm-hmm.
2-8 is her confusion. It's 2 number 8, but I think so is not good for speak.
No.
Yeah.
No, yeah, we don't process that way. Tipo 2-8.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
80, no? Or 80, no, 80,
Yeah. We just say the numbers. 288 means that. Well, 280. That's 280.
280.
Yeah. Exactly. That's 280. That's what it is. We would never say 2 8s. Because I have to think, I'm like, what does that mean? 2 8s. 8? Or is it 8 times 8? 64? 8 plus 8? It's 60. Like, I don't know. Right? I'm not sure.
Because they say that 2 and 80, 2 and 80 yen. Yen.
Yen.
They said
200.
They said 2 and 80 yen.
Let's listen to it.
Yeah.
Okay? Here we go.
1.
It costs $3.25.
Good? I think everybody got that one right? We're okay. Next.
2.
The couch is 499 euros.
Okay. 499 euros.
And 90. And is point.
Boxes. Trying to think of how I would explain this. So this is millions, right? This is the millions box. This is the thousands box. This is the hundreds box. And this is the cents box, right? Got it so far? Usually at each one of these points, we will say an and or the 100 marker or the, like, so 210 million, 345,000, 126.
54.
Something changes right here. This point right here is where the dollars, where the complete hundreds, where the euros, where the yen stops. So we usually say euros or dollars here, and then, 80, 47 cents. Does that make sense? Like, she is explaining it in the complete way. Like the words that she's saying here are the complete words.
The couch is 499 euros.
Okay. 499 euros. So if I do 99 right here, is 99 cents a euro?
I understand.
Better?
Yeah, I
Does that help?
understand. Yeah.
Okay.
Always, dollar,
Mhm.
dollars, euros, yeah.
Then the
Yeah,
cents.
okay.
Right? Okay.
So 499
Dollars.
euros, yeah. Understand. I understand.
Got it? Good. Excellent. Thank you for understanding that. That was hard. That was hard for me to explain. Good job. Okay, so there's that one. Are we okay, everybody else? Are we okay about this? Okay, next one.
3.
Your ticket
Your
is
ticket
280
is 280 yen.
280 yen.
Your ticket
Your
is
ticket is
280 yen.
280 yen.
Your ticket
Your
is
ticket is
280 yen.
280 yen.
Yen.
Your ticket
Your
is
ticket is
280 yen.
280 yen.
Can you hear it?
Bond.
No. The yen is like dollar. $280. 280 pesos?
Yeah.
Yeah? 280 pesos. 280 yen. Okay? That right there is the Japanese coins. That's what they use, is Japanese dollars. Japanese yen. So 280 yen. No pennies. No cents.
Teacher,
Yeah.
when say the audio, tu en.
Yen. Yen. 280 yen. Right? Let's listen just one last time here.
3.
Your ticket
Your
is
ticket is
280
280
yen.
yen.
Hear that? Yen. Yen. That's what's going on. Castellano. Kind of. Better? Good? Feel better with this one? Okay. Numbers are hard. Right? Numbers are hard. I studied Chinese for one semester, and my Chinese professor would always say, If you want to know what a person's first language is, ask them to do math. Ask them to do mathematics. Because even though they can speak well, they can talk and have conversations and teach classes and all these things, when you ask them to start counting and doing math, they go back to when they were 10 years old at school and they have to switch into Chinese or Korean or Vietnamese. I mean, can you do math in English? How do you, I know you can read this, right? You know what this means, okay? How do you say this in English?
3, 4, 3.
No.
How do you say it? If you were to read this to me, how would you say it in English?
3x3.
Nope.
No. 3. 3. 3.
Nope.
3 double.
Nope.
Double.
Nope. No.
No.
And what about this one? How do you say that? Okay.
What?
3 times 3 equals 9.
3 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Vietnamese or some language, but just a difficult language.
Right. All the mathematics always has its own language, right? So in your language, in Vietnamese, it's different than the ways that Korean does it. And Korean is different than the way that Spanish does it. And Spanish is different even than the way that Portuguese does it. The way things are discussed regarding mathematics are very unique within each language for a lot of reasons. So even in languages that are really similar, like Spanish and Portuguese, there's still differences that you run into. But how do you read those things? Those are things we need to teach in language classes, right? How do we say this kind of stuff? Yeah.
3 plus 3.
Yes. 3 plus 3. Mm-hmm.
And
Oh.
between.
Okay. So 3.
Yes.
1.
1. Yeah. See, you know what it is, but how do you say it?
What? Because
3
3.
divided by. Divided by. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Okay. And then so this is times. This is plus. Okay. This is minus. So 3 3 minus.
Minus.
Yeah, 3 minus 3 equals 0. 0. Okay. Got it? Okay, I think it's time to take a break, right? Y'all are tired. Okay. So we will pick up with our next thing after this. We'll probably do a color vowel chart after this, but hope that was helpful. But yeah, go take a break. Be back at 10:26.